A traditionalist in Ogun State has defrauded a woman of a whopping sum of 19 million naira after deceiving her to sell her house to buy a cow in order to carry out spiritual cleansing for her family. He slept with the daughter and granddaughter of the woman, and the most surprising of all is that the traditionalist is a blind man. His name is Owolabi Adefemi, and he is popularly known as Ojuno. He is a heartless Isheshe traditionalist who derives pleasure in scamming people for a living despite being blind. According to the 86-year-old woman who fell victim to the herbalist, she heard about the herbalist on a radio program where he was described as a powerful healer who can solve all spiritual problems. The 86-year-old woman, whose name is Alimat, has one of her children battling with a strange illness, and in the course of looking for a solution, she decided to patronize the powerful herbalist advertised on the radio program. However, instead of Ojuno the herbalist to come to her rescue, he doubled her problem by telling her that she is going to lose her daughter except she buys a cow for a sacrifice. The helpless woman was rendered perplexed, and she was forced to sell her house in Mowe in order to offset the bills and countless requirements of the herbalist. She was rendered homeless and broke in the end. The herbalist demanded for more and more upon realizing that she sold her house. Ojuno, the herbalist, was able to obtain a total of 19 million naira in disguise for money for cows and other concoctions for treatment for her daughter and money rituals, whereas not a single cow was shown to the elderly woman. Instead, the woman was shown a man lying helplessly on the floor and was told that the cow had turned to a man overnight. Ojuno also requested the woman to bring her daughter for treatment and therefore slept with the daughter, and also told the daughter to bring forth her own daughter, whom Ojuno also slept with. Ojuno the herbalist had no vehicle before meeting the woman, but was able to purchase a Toyota SUV and another sports car during his business with the woman, while the woman was rendered homeless. In the long run, Ojuno was exposed by his own wife, who eventually narrated his fraudulent acts to the elderly woman, and Bose, the daughter of the woman. Owolabi Adefemi, the herbalist, was arrested and he confessed to the crime during interrogation. However, he explained to the police that he only defrauded the woman of 5 million naira and not 19 million naira, with a promise to refund only 800,000 naira out of the total money. The elderly woman has now cried out to Nigerians to come to her rescue and also to help her get her money back from the herbalist.